Hi friends, my name is Usmansheikh, and in this video I am going to perform the lab of NetPact. So for this purpose I have a scenario, and this scenario I have to download from 9tet.com. It's a very important scenario according to the CCNA exam and may conduct in CCNA exam lab. Okay, now the question: a network associate is configuring a router for the viewer company. It's a viewer company router, and to provide internet access, the ISP has provided the company six public IP addresses. These six public IP addresses: 198.168.184.105 to 198.184.110. These are six public IP addresses, and the company has 14 hosts that need to access the internet simultaneously. The host in the company LAN have been assigned private space addresses in this range of 192.168.100.17 to 192.168.100.30. You can see these are six public IP addresses, and these 14 IP addresses or private IP addresses, and we have to provide the facility of internet over these 14 IP addresses with the help of six public IP addresses. So for this purpose I will go to the router. CISCO configuration terminal. Now IPNet pool. I'm going to create a pool of these six public IP addresses, and name of the pool may any of the name. I will write the name of pool, my pool, and the range of my pool is 198.168.184.105 to 198.184.110. and you can see the slash value here. I don't have to avoid the slash value. Its slash value is 29. And it's a net mask of these IP addresses. So how to calculate the slash 29 net mask? Slash 29, I'm going to turn on 29 bits of network. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot. These are 8 plus 8 16 plus 8 24 25 26 27 and 28 and 29. Now 30 31 32. Okay, I have to turn on 29 bits of the network, and we know that when all the bits are on, when the all bits are on, then these all bits are equal to 255. You can add all these 8 bits, which is equals to 255. So all are 1, so I will write here 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot. Now these are 5 bits: 1 2 3 4 and 5 bits. Add 5 bits from lower to upper, and you can see 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8, which is equals to 248. Okay, now I have to derive net mask of 29. I'll write here net mask 255.255.255.248. Okay, enter. Now I'm going to advertise my all over 14 IP addresses, 14 my private IP addresses in one line with the help of access list 1 permit 192.168.100. Now you can see it's 17 here, and these are 14 addresses from 17 to 30. These are 14 addresses 17 to 30, and 14 lies in 16. So I will write the table of 16, 32, and 1648. You can see its starting value is 16 and last value is 31, because 32 is the next address. So the valid IPs are 17 to 30. You can see 16 is first and 31 is last. So 17 is first IP usable IP address and 30 is the last usable IP address. Okay, now I write here 16 in this line. I'm going to permit all over 14 my host. Now I'm going to write wildcard mask. How to calculate wildcard mask? We know that the 16 bits are on from the last octet, so it's mean 255 subtract 16, which is equals to 240, and last bit is 240. So the mask is 255.255.255.240. How to calculate wildcard mask? Subtract subnet mask from wildcard mask. So I will write here subtract subnet mask from broadcast ID 255.255.255.255. Now 0.0.0.15. It's a wildcard mask. I'm going to put 0.0.0.15. Now access list 1 permit, enter. Now I'm going to write the command through which I will apply 16 my public addresses over 14 of private addresses. IPNet source list 1. Source list 1, you can see I have to write here the number of access list. IPNet source list 1 pool, my pool, which is the name of pool, overload. Oh, sorry, I have to write here inside IPNet inside, and then enter. Okay, now you can see for this router interface fasternet is inside because it is LAN, and interface serial outside because it is connected to the WAN. So for this so I will write here interface fasternet 0/0. This is interface fasternet 0/0. IPNet inside, enter. Exit interface serial 0/0, which is 0/0. IPNet outside, outside, enter. Now I'm going to check whether the net is applied over interfaces over IP addresses or not. For this purpose I will go to the testing host for testing PC and go desktop and command prompt check by ping